good morning. Today's chart would be crude. I would be talking something a small this one about crude. As you can see the chart patterns here, I am pointing towards the cursor here on the candle, where the closing yesterday was around about 5,814. Because of the geopolitical tensions and whatever is the technical analysis, the today's opening would be around about 5,888, which is a 80 points gap up. You can see here, right? And there was an upswing, or the price moved a little up. Maybe the guys who have taken carry forward positions yesterday have booked the profits. So the prices have come down to 5904, where you can see this line. And now again the prices are moving up because of the obvious geopolitical tensions. So you can see one resistance here, two resistance here, three resistance here. I would want to draw a line here. I'm sure you can see. Yeah. So this is approximately 5944. If the price moves beyond 5944, we can expect a small upswing till say 6170. But that's too very much to hold for a beginner. Let's keep the lower swing, this one 5908, or the candlestick low as 5919 as the stop loss, and we can try for 1:1 ratio, this one of 40 points, say 5944 and 5980. Once it breaks out and does a retrace, and after the retracement, if there is a pullback upside, we can try it till 5980, which is a decent profit. So let's not be too greedy and try to lose money. 5980 should be a possible event. So please wait for this breakout. I hope I was clear. Thank you.